Don't take a chance on charging or gamble with your golf cart. It's time for Ask Dave on GCGTV.
Karen wrote in to ask, "Hi Dave, how can I troubleshoot my golf cart charger?"
Hi everyone! Welcome and thank you for joining us today in the Golf Cart Garage as we take a look at troubleshooting battery chargers. We get frequent calls and emails from people trying to figure out what's going on with a charger that just won't do the job. And while there's no universal fix for this issue, there are a few things we can investigate to find out what's going on and what to do next. One bad cell in a battery series can stop a cart from completing a charge. So before checking a charger that won't turn off or charge properly, you may want to consult our power testing video to be sure that the batteries can take a full charge. For our purposes today, we'll assume the batteries test good. First off, the most common issue when a charger doesn't engage is dead batteries. Golf cart chargers start automatically by receiving voltage from your cart, so if there's not enough power to drive a vehicle, sometimes there's not enough power to turn on the charger either. You can see our video on charging dead batteries right here. Next, we can check for damage or malfunction with the charger. Older style chargers are not waterproof because they're vented for fan cooling. So moisture, dust, power surge, these can all do damage. This style charger can be opened and repaired if a single component has failed or been damaged. Of course, not everyone lives in a cart community, but if you have other carts around, trying your charger on another vehicle with the same plug and voltage can sometimes help too. If you find your charger works on another cart, you may have a problem with poor connection or damage to the wiring in the receptacle or battery cables on your own vehicle. Or in the case of a 48-volt club car, this may indicate malfunction of the cart computer or OBC, a part of the same receptacle wiring on those models. You can find our video on that topic right here. Chargers that have indicator lights may also present a fault code that's usually a red flash. This can be interpreted by checking the fault code chart in your charger's owner manual. That said, most chargers don't come right out and tell you when they need to be serviced or replaced, just like politicians or employees who've already turned in their 2 weeks' notice. They may have already stopped doing their job properly before you know it's time for a change. If repair is possible, it can also be costly, and sometimes the investment is better made in a new charger. This technology has come a long way in just the past few years, and modern chargers are more efficient, warranted, and have improved storage charging for extended downtime. If you're troubleshooting a charger or have other questions, we'd love to help. So stop by golfcartgarage.com or give us a call at 1-800-401-2934 so we can help show you around the garage. You can also send your questions by email to askdave@golfcartgarage.com. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more episodes. Thanks for watching GCGTV.